another daily review. Today's Tuesday, April 25th, 2023. Today I took three trades, um, two on coin and one on SPY, all to the downside. Lost about $56, unfortunately, but yeah, let's get right into it. For coin on the daily here, I was waiting for it to break $58. As you can see, it was in a tight consolidation, and then it finally broke yesterday with some strength and volume. Honestly, I had some terrible FOMO. I hesitated, didn't take my entry. Still kind of trying to get over my huge loss from last week, so I've been very, very hesitant on my entries, unfortunately. But that's trading. Hopefully, I'll get over it sooner than later. So yeah, I was trying to wait for this 58 to break to see it go all the way down to 50, which is a huge psychological level. And then we have SPY. I was waiting for it to break 410. It was acting as a huge support level. As you can see, it's touched multiple times, and it finally broke today with pretty good strength, it looks like. Um, and then the next, I'm going to be watching for it to break 406. Um, Moving into the actual trades themselves. So, coin, two trades, like I said earlier. Um, I entered the first one at 9:58 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, um, and then again at 10:02, and again at 10:12. I was pretty much sizing up. I was feeling, I guess I was pretty biased. I thought it was going to continue to the downside. In the opening, it sold off pretty quickly, then bounced back up, and it was rejecting this supply zone. Honestly, this is where I felt my FOMO, which is where I missed my entry. I should have entered here. I thought it was just a good setup, but again, I'm still getting over my loss from last week, so I missed the entry, fell down, and then it was rising back up. However, I noticed it was low on volume, and I thought it was going to continue to the downside. It was rejecting this previous day close level, it looked like, at first at least. Um, but it continued on upwards, and I mistakenly added more size later on. Honestly, I should have just waited for it to consolidate at the top. This would have been a better entry. My third size up would have been the best entry, and luckily I made all my money back at this exit. I really just broke even, and then which I was very happy about, obviously. But at the end of the day, I still made terrible, terrible decisions on my trading. And then like less than 5 minutes after, I decided to enter again. At this point, I'm extremely tilted. I have the worst FOMO. I'm pretty much revenge trading at this point, even though I made all my money back. But like, I'm in my head, like, okay, it's gonna go down now. I'm not thinking anymore. I want to make money now, and it didn't go my way, and I didn't respect my stop loss, even though the loss wasn't too big. I lost total $40 for the day on coin itself, but no, I should have just walked away at this point. So that was my coin trade, and then for SPY, excuse me, let me fix the screen here. For SPY, um, I entered here at, excuse me, this is the wrong one. Sorry, guys. Right here. This is the one. One trade. Um, I lost $15 for the day on this trade. Honestly, I shouldn't have even taken this trade because I was so tilted from my coin trade. I should have walked away and called it a day from there. But again, I was pissed off. I wanted to revenge trade, make my money back, or just make some money, make something at that point. And so I decided to take this last SPY trade at 10:53 in the morning to the downside. honestly, I mean, aside from all the emotions and then the tiltedness, I'm not too mad about the entry in itself. Um, and I guess the exit wasn't too bad either. Like I cut my losses, but um, I shouldn't have taken the trade. Uh, I did like that it was rejecting pre-market low. I like that it was rejecting this now supply zone. So I thought, okay, this will continue downwards. Um, but it wasn't going in my way, and I just decided to cut my losses and just called it a day. I was clearly not thinking. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my trading for today. I know we got some pretty big earnings coming up. I think we have Microsoft, and we also have Meta and Boeing all this week. So we'll be watching out for those. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for listening, and I'll catch you on the next one.